Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is circle. So friend, read this question very carefully and try to solve. Two circle with radius 25 cm and 9 cm touch each other externally. The length of the direct common tangent is. So this is a one circle and this is another circle. This touch each other externally. So keep remember friend here. Okay, so it will be a small because this radius is a small to this radius and common tangent. Okay, and suppose this is a center of this circle, this center, right? Radius is 25 centimeter. So this radius is 25 centimeter of this circle and 9 centimeter is this circle, right? Our target to find what is length of this tangent, right? Here to here, common. So dear friends, now this is a radius of this circle and this is a radius of this circle. This radius is equal to 9 centimeter and this radius is equal to 25 centimeter. Our target to find what is this. So dear friends, this total length is, this is 25 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter. So this will be 34 centimeter, right? Here to here, suppose this point is A and this point is B. So total distance is 34 centimeter. And this is a draw a parallel line and touch here. So this is 25 centimeter, here 9 centimeter. So what will be here to here? So it will be 25 minus 9 centimeter. So it will be 16 centimeter. Now we have right angle triangle. See here, this is a 90-degree triangle. So we need this hypotenuse, right? So we can solve by Pythagoras system. So Pythagoras, suppose this is a P and this is a Q and this is a R point. So we have PR 25 QR 16 centimeter and PQ, this length is equal to this length. So this length is 34 centimeter. Now we have 34 centimeter this and this 16 centimeter. We need this. So by Pythagoras system, PR square is equal to PQ square minus QR square. So PR square is equal to PQ is given 34 centimeter. 34 square minus QR given 16 centimeter, right? So PR square is equal to 34 square will be 115 and 16 square will be 256, right? 34 square is equal to 1156 and 16 square is equal to 256. So PR under root, because a square, so will be here under root 1156 minus 256. So PR is equal to 660,550 and 11 minus 2 will be 9 under root 9, right? So PR is equal to under root 30 into 30. So PR is equal to 30 centimeter. So PR, this length will be 30 centimeter, right? See here friends, this circle radius is 25 centimeter and this circle radius is 9 centimeter. So total length, because this is touch each other externally, right? So 25 plus 9 will be 34 centimeter. Here to here 34 centimeter. This is a parallel, so also this line will be 34 centimeter, and this radius is 25 centimeter and this radius only 9 centimeter. So QR length will be 16 centimeter. Why? Because 25 centimeter minus 9 centimeter will be 16 centimeter. So this is centimeter. We need this length. Our target to find only this length. We have this and we have this. So by Pythagoras system we will solve PR is equal to 30 centimeter. So this length is 30 centimeter, right? So move to question number 2. Question number 2 is, two circles with radius 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter touch each other externally. The length of the direct common tangent is. So this question is like previous question. This is a big circle, right? And this is a small circle but touch each other externally, right? So this is center of this circle and this center of this circle. So radius is given 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So this radius is 9 centimeter and this radius is 4 centimeter. So total length will be, this is 9 centimeter, right? And this is 4 centimeter. So total length is 9 4 13 centimeter. So draw your tangents here to here, right? So this circle would be like that. Okay, so our target to find this length, common tangent, right? So this is a 4 centimeter. Radius of this circle is 4 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter, right? So draw a parallel. So this length and this length will be equal. Why? Because this is a parallel. So also this is a 13 centimeter, right? Our target to find this length, common tangent. What will be this length? Total length is 9 centimeter and this radius is 4 centimeter. So this is a empty. So 9 minus 4 will be 5 centimeter. So this length is 5 centimeter. So assume this is a P and Q and yeah. So we have PR is equal to 30 centimeter and RQ is equal to 5 centimeter. We need PQ length. So by Pythagoras system, PR square is equal to PQ square is equal to PR square plus SR square. PQ square is equal to 13 square plus 5 square. So PQ equal to under root 169 plus, sorry, will be here minus 25. So PQ is equal to 144 under root. So PQ is equal to under root 12 into 12. So PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. So PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Right, friend? So this length is 9 centimeter and this length is 4 centimeter. Total distance is 13 centimeter. Also will be 13 centimeter. We need this length, common tangent. This is a common tangent, right? So we have PQ is equal to, and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. SR is equal to 5 centimeter. So after calculating, we found PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay friends, so thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Watch comparing exam. Thanks for watching this video.